In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix blurry, misaligned prints on your Epson EcoTank printer. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be using an ET-2900 series printer. However, guys, if you do have a different printer, that's completely okay. This tutorial should still work. We will be using the control panel here to fix our issue. Now, if this does end up helping you guys, please consider liking and subscribing. So the first thing we need to do, guys, is make sure our printer is on and has some paper loaded in the back. So you want some A4 paper loaded in the back of your printer. And we are going to scroll along backwards on our home page here, and we're going to find print failure. So press OK. Guys, Epson have actually labeled and given us some fixes for this issue that they recommend themselves. So we're going to look at what they have to say on this. So we're going to go down to blurry misaligned and press OK. We're going to press OK for reduce blur, and it says that we need to do a print head alignment. So I'm going to guide you guys through how to do a print head alignment now. So we're going to press OK, and it's going to press OK again, and we're going to run all three types of alignments in order. So we will need 3 sheets of A4 paper, guys, that we are able to print on. So we're going to press OK, and it's going to print head alignment pattern. So the first one we're going to do now, and I'm going to guide you through what to do with that. So press print. And you will need some black ink in your ink, and I think you need some magenta as well, but we're gonna wait for this to print, guys, and then I will cut back to when it's done. Okay, guys, so we need to select the pattern that shows no gap or dark line. So we're gonna get our paper out now. And so, guys, what we have here, it might look a little bit confusing, but don't worry, I'm gonna guide you through it, is it says number 1 or number 2. So these number 1s, this gives us 6 options in the first print head. So it's labeling out our print heads here, and it's giving us 6 options to choose from to show us which one is better. So we have to decide for ourselves which one is better. So we need to show the pattern that shows no gap or dark line in this kind of straight line here. So it's going to show us an example. It should do anyway. So basically, guys, we need to choose the number which looks exactly like this. So we're going to do it for our first column here. So the best one for me, guys, looks either like number 3 or 4. They have the least amount of variation. So we're going to choose here, guys. For me, it says number 3, but yours might be different, okay? So please check to make sure that you're choosing your correct one, which has no kind of break in the line. So we're going to press OK on number 1. Now the second column, we're going to choose the same. For me, guys, it's also number 3 or 4. If they look the same and you can't tell the difference between them, then just choose one. There shouldn't be much of an issue there. So we're going to press OK here. For me, it's number 3, guys, but please make sure you check yours yourself. So we're going to print the next set of alignments now that we've done that. And I'm going to show you what to do with those as well. Okay, guys, so we have our next print head alignment here, and unfortunately we're going to have to do this 6 times. So like last time, the numbers are the print heads that you're choosing the best setting for. So for me, guys, you need to be choosing the box which has the least amount of like lines, or basically the most solid box for each number. So for number 1, the best line for me, guys, is probably number 4 or number 3. So we're going to choose that. If there are some lines, guys, that's fine. You just need to choose the one which has the least amount, okay? So for number 1, number 4 is the best for me. We're going to look again, guys. Number 2, it's number 4 again. So for me, luckily, it's already on that. But if it's different, guys, go press up or down to find the correct number and then select that, okay? So number 3, it is actually not number 4, it's number 5. So we're going to go up to number 5 and press OK. So for me, guys, number 4 is number 4 or 5, probably number 5 actually. So we're going to go up again. And guys, please make sure you do this for yourself. Do not copy my answers as every printer is different, okay? So for number 4, to be honest, they're all pretty bad. I would say number 4 or 5 is the best here. And number 6 for me, guys, is number 5. So that's all done. So the next part is we're going to do the last alignment, which is a lot easier than these other ones. Okay guys, so we're on the last printhead alignment now, and we need to select the pattern which shows no gap in the dark lines again. So number 1, and guys, we're just choosing the one which is the straightest. And to me guys, literally every single one on all 14 is exactly the same to me. So to be honest guys, if yours are different, then make sure to change them. For me, they're not. So I'm just going to proceed really quick and say, yep, number 4 is good. And yep, number 4 is also good. But guys, make sure to change them if they are different. Okay, so guys, that is it for how to fix this issue on your EcoTank. That is all the info that Epson have provided us. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. Hopefully this did help. And if this did, please consider liking and subscribing, as that really would help us out. And guys, if you're looking for any printer supplies or anything like that, make sure to check out our sponsor in the description. They are a global printer supply store, guys. They have fast shipping and really good deals, and we buy all of our products from them. So you'd be helping out a small business and you would be helping out us. But thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.